Hi, I'm Lucia. I'm a costume apprentice for BBC.
I'm Jordan. I'm going to the BBC next week.
The past 6 weeks I've been in Cyfle, learning the theory and everything behind the media apprenticeship. It's been really fun. I've really enjoyed it. I've met some lovely people.
I've been in Cyfle for 6 weeks. I've really enjoyed it and I can't wait to start work next week.
I'm really looking forward to starting in the BBC next week. I'll be working hopefully on set in Casualty and Poblicum in the costume department. I'm really looking forward to it, as it's something I've never done before, and it'll be really great to have the industry experience under my belt.
I'm looking forward to going on to the sets of programmes I've been learning to do my job.
Just really looking forward to starting now, really excited, and I've really enjoyed the past few weeks in Cyfle.